Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Project Pan update, so if you guys want to see how I've been doing so far, then keep watching. So if you don't know what Project Pan is, it's pretty much when you gather some beauty products that you just want to use up, and it's kind of just interesting to see how fast you use up a product and how much you use a product. That's kind of just like why I'm doing it. I'm also just want to clean out some of my makeup products because I have a lot. First up, I have this Freeman facial clay mask in chocolate and strawberry. This one helps moisturizes and tone your face. I said in my last update that I wanted to just add a mask because I have a lot. And I have a lot to go on this one. I feel like it was around like up here-ish when I started, and now it has moved down a little bit. So I'm almost done with it. I thought I would finish it up this month, but I definitely didn't. Hopefully in the middle of April I'll finish it up. I just honestly haven't really been grabbing for it that much, which is weird. Next up is the Milani Baked Blush in Dolce Pink. I don't know. I'm gonna have this for the rest of my life. I've just already accepted that, but it's making progress. We're making progress on it. It has gone down a lot. I've used it literally every day, and last week actually I wore makeup 6 days a week and not my usual like 5 because I went to a party. Actually 2 weeks in a row I wore like 6 days and not my usual 5. But yeah, I just thought maybe using it those 2 extra times the past 2 weeks that it would go down a little bit, but no, so those parties did nothing. But I literally have been using this every day when I wear my makeup, and slowly but surely we'll see pan soon. I know we will. I have faith. Next is the e.l.f. Illuminating palette. I had already hit pan on this pinky shade and it's getting bigger. The other 3 shades I have been mixing all together. I just mix all 4 together now, and they're getting there. They're a work in progress. I feel like the white shade might hit pan first, or this one right here. This one's gonna take a little longer, but making progress on this e.l.f. one. Stopefully see more pan soon. Next is the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline, and I actually had to take the stopper out, so it is a globby mess now when I use this, but if you just scrape it off, it's not that bad. But I do actually have, I don't know if you can see, but I'm seeing the tube, like I'm scraping the side. So I think I might use this up soon. I don't know. Again, this is something I use all the time, I feel like, as well. Next up is this Lost Cause, aka the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I have been mixing all 3 contour shades together every day when I do my makeup. This dumb shade will not budge. I'm not kidding you. I dip in every shade. This one hasn't even made like a divot. So I don't know what is going on with this palette. It is a lost cause, like I said. I'm so close to just throwing it out and just throwing something else in here. But I'm going to see what happens by the end of April. And if something good happens, then we'll keep going. If not, I will throw this out because I'm so sick and tired of it, and I will use a different bronzer to pan. Next, we have this Tartlette palette from Tarte, and I had hit pan on Force of Nature last month, and I honestly haven't really grabbed for this palette as much this month. I don't really know why. Like, I can't say why. I just kind of, again, like last month, had a hard time reaching for products. I don't know why. So this one I really haven't made much progress on. Next up is the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And if you guys remember, I have already hit pan on Tempera, Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, and Warm Taupe. And today, I hit pan on Vermeer while I was filming this makeup tutorial, and I'm so happy that I did. And kind of sad because Vermeer is one of my favorite shades, but I'm making progress on this one. I don't know which shade's going to be next. that's going to be a total surprise. I'm thinking Bon Fresco because I used that today as well, and I really liked it, so that might be like my go-to spring shade. We shall see. And that is it for this project pan update. Let me know in the comments down below, are you panning anything? Let's chat. Like, let's talk about what you're panning, how your progress is, how you doing. Let's talk about it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see, let me know in the comments down below too. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!